Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up VPN on Samsung Galaxy A50. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on the search bar, and now you have to type in Turbo VPN and click search. Now select this application and then click install. Now you can close this ad and then click consent and click on this button to start your VPN and click OK. Now you can close this ad and now your VPN is connected in Canada. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.